Hello, we are doing partial products. This is a way of multiplying big numbers. And with partial products, what you're doing is you're taking the big numbers, like 63, and you're splitting it up into parts. And then you're multiplying the parts together. So that's what these boxes are for. Our first step is to take the 63 and put it in expanded form. So we're putting the 60 in this box and the 3 in this box. And that's 63 in expanded form. Now the 60 and the 3 are separately each going to multiply against the other number. And that's why we're putting that 5 down here on a different level because it's on the other side of the multiplication symbol. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to multiply it, and we're going to do 60 times 5. So that's 60 times 5. And then we'll just do 3 times 5. So again, we split that 63 into parts, and we're just multiplying each part against 5. When we get our answers, we'll put them over in these boxes on the right-hand side, and then we're going to add them all together. So let's go ahead and start. For 60 times 5, anytime you're multiplying something where there's a 0, you're going to forget about it and just do 6 times 5 and then stick the 0 back in after. 6 times 5 is 30. And then we'll put that 0 back in. And then we'll do blue versus red, or blue times red. 3 times 5 is 15. And now we're going to add. So we did 60 times 5, which is 300. And then we did 3 times 5, which is 15. So for 63 times 5, you just add it all together. Starting on the right, 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 3 plus nothing is 3, for a total of 315.